Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to fix Marvel DirectX not supported on your system. So guys, the first step you need to do on this to fix this error, as you can see here, what you have to do, just go your device, uh, go to device manager, as you can see here guys, and what you have to do, open your device manager here, and after that guys, go to display adapter and go to IMD and updated your driver. This is the first step, and the step you need to do guys, and the step number two, what you have to do guys, just check restart everything and make your restart your game and try again, and after that double check your requirement and your PC. And what you have to do, check your requirement and your PC guys. Go to this PC and click on show proprietary. From here guys, check your requirement device and your product ID and your processor, and if you have requirement, and you will work it. So you will problem solved. And after that guys, just go to avoid manual changing, and if you're already using DirectX, don't manually switch to DirectX. Avoid these steps guys, and you make have the X12 is backward compatible and downguarding, and we have solved this error guys. So I hope this video helpful for you guys.